Excellence through expertise. We, ARES Machinery Company Limited, always bear quality priority as our vitality, best service as our holding energy in our minds since established in 1994. We passed CE verification and obtained EMC qualification in 1996. Then got ISO 9002 qualification in January 1999. We enlarged our factory to advance productivity in 2001 and further passed ISO 9001-2000 qualification by 2 in 2002. Continuously, we established our China factory, ARES SEIKI Machinery Company Limited, in Zhejiang Province, China. Strict manufacturing processes and stable quality. We examine actively all our facilities in manufacturing processes. Our QA department guarantees our production with inspection and test from precision instruments, such as static geometry precision, dynamic laser positioning, ball bar dynamic circle verification, noise, vibration, appearance tests, and so on. Also, we carry out practical manufacture tests on every machine, including spindle motor full load cutting, circle cutting, high-speed drilling threaded test, making every machine produced by ARES SEIKI Machinery Company Limited matching international examination standard. We, ARES SEIKI Machinery Company Limited, have been dedicated to globalize with belief of taking a worldwide view from Taiwan, creating better competitiveness, accomplishing our overall arrangement worldwide. We will improve and innovate with more moderate management and being more materiality continuously, providing an international brand with best services, best quality, best products, best technology and professionalism, which our clients rely on.